Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a collaboration along with Angelia Bliss, and you'll find her link in the description section, her channel's link. So what we are going to do is, after we watch our video, then we all will go and join Angela's channel. She did a beautiful modified bloom, which we all are going to watch together. So this is our little collaboration between the two of us. The first color that I'm layering right now, it's teal from Golden, and I added some Wild Atlantic from TLP. That's pigment. By looking at the canvas, you can see this is my second try because the first try was a mess. So let's get going on this one. Next color that I have, it's called Malibu. It's kind of like Psych from TLP. Then I have Golden's. This one is a tad bit thicker. I'm going to thin it down a bit. This is from Golden's Payne's Gray mixed with some Sapphire from TLP, which you can buy from Fluid Art Company. I'm just finishing up all the leftovers that I have. Next color is going to be another costume color. This one has triads, dioxazine purple mixed with bunch of pigments to give it some extra shimmer and shine. Pretty color. One thing is extremely important when you do bloom is to make sure that all the color consistencies are the same. Let's add some gold. Another custom color. I know this one has ganache from TLP along with some other colors. I'm not sure about what color are these, but finish it up. Done. Whenever I can finish up a mixture of paint, that makes me so proud. I feel accomplished because I have not wasted any of the paints. This one is Bordeaux Red from Arteza mixed with Cupid's Crush color art to add some shimmer and glitter. I hope the color combinations that I'm picking is going to be all right, because I'm honestly picking some pretty bold colors together. Some more gold. Some titanium white cell activator and some freshly mixed black cell activator, which is lamp black Amsterdam mixed with Australian Floetrol. There we go. Okay, much better. Now I hope you can see all the different cell lacing, all these little details. Should I do anything like that? Probably it's too pretty for that, right? Okay, I'm stopping. When I'm spinning, I am going to keep my cameras zoom in. That way you can see how the cells are growing. If I try to capture the entire canvas, it doesn't happen. So bear with me. So for the laces and the cells and different paint, the blending of different paints are all so beautiful. This is the close-up video, and you can see I have millions and zillions of beautiful cells, and I'm so happy with the result. The contrast of different colors and blending is so pretty. Those of you who often ask me my recipes, that in the description section I have posted everything, so please check it out. And now it's the time to go to Angela Bliss's channel. In the description section of this video, you will find her link, and let's go there. We will all meet together over there in 2 minutes, and we'll watch her beautiful creation.